Hello, my name is Jordan. I'm one of the mechanics here at Master Mechanic Grimsby, and today we're going to be doing a rear brake job. Quick visual when you really get a quick look at it. You can even see it through the rim most times. This darker area here, that's a really good indication of overheating on that rotor. This lighter area here, it should be a little bit lighter than that. That's a newer rotor, but that's a really quick, easy indication to know that there's something going on, whether it's the caliper hanging up, brake pad seized into the anchor plate, or a guide pin seized. So that's going to make us look more in depth to see what's going on in there. We like to recommend at least coming in every 6 months under normal driving conditions. Obviously, everyone's driving habits can be different. A driver would notice that there may be an issue with their braking system. That's going to be your high-pitched squealing or scraping noises, pulsation in the brake pedal, or if you feel it in the steering wheel, even if it's bad enough, in the back of the seat. Okay, so we have our rotors here. This is our new rotor, our old rotor. So this is a coated rotor, a premium coated rotor. These ones are usually better quality, carry a better warranty as well. So you get rust buildup in this area. That's your cooling area. Just lets air flow through there, so those can kind of gunk up with rust as well. This is our new pad and our old pad. You can really see how worn down that one is. You can even see some lines in there, some uneven wearing in that pad. That's going to give you some noises as well. So back to a new pad here. Lots of material to absorb that heat as well, disperse that throughout the rotor, nice and even, and prolong lifetime of that pad and rotor. The rear brake job is all wrapped up now. We've got our new rotor on there, we've got our new brake pads, we've got proper amount of grease in there so that the brake pads can move nice and freely. Our calipers moving nice and freely as well, nice and quiet, so we're all happy with that. Okay everyone, that wraps up a typical rear brake job. Thanks for watching the video.